Hi, I'm Matthew. Welcome to my channel, and today it's Will It Shave Wednesday. Real quick, I'm gonna wet my face. It's Wednesday and it is time for a shave. Today's shave soap is by Shave Worx, and this is South Shore. The scent on this, it definitely has a beachy vibe to it, but to me, it's kind of like a pina colada smell. There's what the soap looks like. I do have that lathered up already in the Captain's Choice copper bowl, and I'm using my Omega Boar brush, and I will tell you that I probably put too much water in here, but you know, since I'm going to be using something new, and this is the Will It Shave part, my wife bought me this Feather SS for my birthday. Thank you, honey. And so let's go ahead and get the shave going. I'm not going to be using any pre-shave today. I'm just going to go straight for it. So no oils, no cube, no glycerin. And let's see how this soap and razor performs. I'm going to do a little bit of extra lathering because I do have 2 days worth of growth, and it is a healthy 2 days worth of growth. I did have one little spot down here. Hopefully I do not get it. And if I do, well, that's part of it. So let's go ahead with pass number 1. I do have the Feather Pro Guard in here. And that is mowing through it. Does feel a little on the tuggy side, I will not lie. Let's go ahead and rinse and get this side going. You know me, when I'm doing straight razors, I do not talk that much. You like that finger? I don't know why I was holding that up like that. For some reason, it felt a little bit more natural. Don't know why. So far, so good. How was your week going? It is hump day, so that means we are halfway through the work week. I gotta watch that spot right there. I'm doing a little bit of both rinsing and wiping on that because I can actually get that in the sink without having to worry too much about bumping the blade. And I almost feel like I might be losing my voice for today. The soap is very nice scent. I do have the matching aftershave, and I have not used that, so I will be seeing how that works. I feel like a teenage boy. My voice is just cracking and popping. Okay, let's go ahead and go across the grain. I was checking the residual slickness on that, and it's got it there. I think that little bit of tugging I was talking about earlier was because I wasn't applying just enough pressure. I was kind of just letting the blade drag across, and so it was probably skipping a little bit. Let's see how let's start down low. Sorry you can't see. I have a spot here, which is crazy because some of my hair on my neck doesn't grow exactly the same. So I gotta find with this where that starts and stops. It's like down low it grows up, more up, and then I don't know, it's hard to explain. I'm going to get cleaned up and I will be right back. Well, I did a cold water rinse and I forgot the ice cube out of the freezer, so we'll just go ahead and get on to the aftershave. Now, I will say that I know you can't see it, but they no longer make this soap. I don't think that company's in business anymore, but I had some floaties in the bottom, and I believe that's probably from the alum that's inside here, so I don't know. It definitely has the matching scent, and the restrictor on that is nice and open. I can feel a little bit of sting. Wow, that is nice. Not the sting, but the aftershave. I was a little leery of using that, but yeah, that's an alcohol based with witch hazel. I will be following that up with some star jelly. One pump will do ya. What a shave, what a shave. Well, the Feather SS did well. I have no weepers, bleeding, or anything else, minus the ingrown hair that I had from a previous shave this week that showed up. But yeah, it did well. I really liked it, and I will have to do some more shaves with it to you know, get a little bit more experience with it, and I can give you a better evaluation on it. But I will put a picture right here of everything that I used today, and I would like to say thank you for everyone that stuck with me on this video, and I will see you on Sunday Shave. You have a great rest of your week.